How to transfer all your icons to Geometry Dash 2.2. So first, you just have to open your Geometry Dash 2.2 and make sure that you have saved all your data. Go to Account and then click Save, and then all the activities or anything that you have saved on your previous account will be transferred here. But as you can see, I need to get a 3 stars in order for me to save all the data. So what I'm going to do here is simply play or look for any game until I reach this 3 stars, though it's not easy, but I should do this in order for me to transfer all the data that I have from my previous account. But before anything else, you have to click this auto retry. You have to uncheck this one and you can now proceed. So you just have to play and play until you collect this 3 stars. So it's not that easy, but you have to do attempt again a lot of times in order for you to unlock this feature. When you collect the 3 stars, then you can go back to your account and then save all the data from your previous account, and you will see that all the icons that was saved to the old version of your Geometry Dash will be all transferred to your Geometry Dash 2.2. Each game will give you star or will give you coins. So all you have to do is to keep playing in order for you to unlock this feature. Okay, so that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to simply unlock the feature that can let you save your data from your previous account, and your icons will be transferred to a new account. Just go to your settings, go to your account, and then save data. Then you will see all the icons that you have saved from your previous one to your Geometry Dash 2.2. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.